Welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. On today's episode, we're doing a Black Manhattan. This cocktail I'm a big fan of, and I make it often. It's the better, more sophisticated, and even darker cousin of the Manhattan. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm a bad Today, we make a drink for people who listen to vinyl, own a fountain pen, and have at least one opinion about jazz they don't fully understand. Here's what you're going to need to make this delicious cocktail. 2 ounces of rye or bourbon. You pick. Do you want spice or do you want sweet vengeance? For me, I'm going with Rittenhouse rye. You're going to need 1 ounce of Averna Amaro. This is actually vermouth's cooler, moodier cousin from Italy who probably smokes clove cigarettes. You're gonna need 2 dashes of Angostura bitters because life is pain and cocktails should reflect that. And then we're also going to need 2 dashes of orange bitters for depth and because we're not total monsters. And then finally a cherry garnish, but only if it's one of the good ones. If it came in a neon red jar, just stop right now. To start things off, we're gonna grab our glass. I'm using a Nick and Nora for this one. And we're gonna get a little bit of nugget ice and put that in our glass so we can get this chilled. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside for right now. Next up, you wanna get your mixing glass, and then we're going to start with 2 ounces of rye whiskey. This is the base, the backbone, the brooding anti-hero of the drink. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of Averna Amaro. Now think of this as the plot twist. Dark, herbal, mysterious, like if root beer had a criminal record. Finally, we'll add the bitters. 2 dashes of Angostura and 2 dashes of Reagan's Orange. Double if you're using Japanese bitter bottles. Now we'll add some ice and stir. Now don't stir this violently. Stir it like you're reflecting on the one that got away, maybe your credit score. Now that we have that stirred up, we'll grab our strainer, put this to the side for a second. We'll go ahead and get the ice out of our glass. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and strain this into the glass. Now you could serve this on the rocks, but I think this drink prefers something more sophisticated. That's why I went with the Nick and Nora. The Black Manhattan is one of those drinks, it's emotionally unavailable, but still likes to feel elevated. Finally, we're going to top with 1 really expensive cherry. You know, the kind that comes in the small jar and makes you feel like you just accidentally subscribed to a luxury lifestyle. And there you have the Black Manhattan. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. Strong, balanced, bitter, like a tax auditor who writes poetry. The Black Manhattan is for when regular Manhattan is too chipper, but straight whiskey feels like an emotional emergency. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate the support. I'll keep bringing you whiskey-related content. If there's something specific you would like to see, or if you try this version of the Black Manhattan, let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time.